In this video we will learn how to get free SSL certificate for WordPress in Infinityfree web hosting. Infinityfree is a globally popular hosting service that provides totally free web hosting for its users. Here you see I have added these custom domains to my Infinityfree web hosting. But if we check the domain how it looks like, you see that it is saying this website is not secure. We must install SSL certificate to make this secure. Also, you can check SSL checker tool to ensure this. No SSL certificate is pointing into this domain. So, now we will install SSL on Infinityfree. Click on Free SSL Certificate. Then go for New Certificate. Here you need to enter the domain name. After entering the domain name, now choose the SSL provider. You can choose 4 different SSL providers. Here they are recommending Let's Encrypt. Click on Choose Provider. SSL order has been created. In step 3, we need to set up DNS records for our domain. Here they gave us a CNAME record, we need to set up. To set up CNAME record, go to the control panel of the desired domain. Follow my steps. We need to search CNAME in Control Panel. Under Advanced section, you will find CNAME records. By the way, you can set up CNAME records automatically by clicking here, but sometimes it doesn't work perfectly. That's why I prefer to do this manually. So, to do this manually, copy the record name and paste it here. Do the same with destination. You should check the domain also. Now press Add here. The CNAME record is now added. Look, here they are saying that DNS changes take effect within 1 hour. So, we need to wait. After an hour, we will refresh this page. Yes, it's now ready. Now we can request a certificate for our domain. Click Request Certificate. Your certificate has been requested, it will be available soon. Again, we need to wait for the certificate. This time, 10 minutes is enough. Well, SSL certificate is generated. Here you will see that they are given a private key and certificate. Click on Show. Here are the keys. The work is almost done. Go to the control panel now. Oops, it's logged out. Let's re-log in here. Click on Control Panel again. Search SSL. Click on SSL-TLs. Then click Configure. Now copy the private key and paste it into the box. After this, don't forget to click on the Upload button. Then copy the certificate and do the same as previously we did. Let's recheck our domain. Look, the domain is correctly listed in the certificate. Just enter the website to check the SSL manually. It is still showing not secure. We should wait for 5 to 10 minutes for activation. After that time, refresh the page and see the SSL status shows a green signal. Now we check this website in Incognito tab. Yes, it's working fine. So, this is the actual method of how to get free SSL certificate for WordPress in Infinityfree web hosting. If you liked this video, then feel free to hit the like button.